Right, there's some proper bar ends, some proper grips, I don't know. Some proper team grips, I think they are anyway, they're blue. They're not very good.
Are they proper gay?
They are, they're very shit to be honest. I don't really rate proper at all. Proper bars that have been sprayed.
Oh, you hate proper, don't you?
Yeah, I do. So they're proper bars that are sprayed Ferrari blue.
Oh, Ferrari blue.
Coal,
Not
mine.
expensive.
I love that song. Turn it up!
Yeah, Colt Mind Control System and Rasta Majig, Chrome 20 headset. You're not even filming it.
Yeah, sure. Mate, we're nearly a minute through, hurry up.
Some We the People Helium Forks in Chrome, 20 Highland V2 pump on a Alienation rim or some shit. Salty egg.
Salty like you come.
Amma ERD frame, sprayed in Ferrari blue as well. Obviously,
Repping costumes got for the spray
PC.
paint.
Mate, you've got the spokes.
Oh yeah, they're just painted spokes.
Yeah, you forgot the bearings in the fucking hubs as well.
Yeah, yeah. They just go round, that's all I know. Primo, Power White, Frank thingies.
They bite down powerfully.
Yeah.
You're not done, mate. Hurry up.
Proper orange sprocket.
I mean, I've never seen that seat before. What is that seat?
Federal Slim, something like that.
Seat post.
Animal wedge post, because I can't have a seat clamp on this frame because it's shit.
Bottom bracket.
What we got? United Value, Tesco Value, bottom bracket. And then we just got like a standard salt back wheel for that. I know really people broke my other wheel. So apart from that,
Tyres.
our Animal GLH's had them for about 18 months and they're pretty
Sneaky nuts.
Oh, I don't like base cannon that much.
Yo, first try.
No.
If you fire from me, I'll kill you.
Oh,